Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I will be applying the African Shea butter on my daughter's hair. If you do keep with my videos, a couple months ago, I did do a video of me applying the aloe vera plant on her hair. And yes, that did moisturize her hair, but it doesn't leave her hair moisturized for days as this product did. I was recommended to use this product on her hair due to the fact that her hair is super dry and doesn't retain moisture. And this product, I was skeptical at first because honestly, I thought you can only use this product on your body, skin, scars, or anything that you need to heal. I did not know you can also apply this on your hair. So trust me, I was a little paranoid to do that. But honestly, when I used this for the first time on her hair was completely moisturized and I love the results. I was honestly skeptical. You'll see why, and I'll let you know as this video goes on. But honestly, I think this did wonders. And if you are anything like me and you did not know you can apply this to your hair, I will show you exactly what to do to retain moisture if you do want to use this product. So stay tuned. So this is how it looks on the inside. Is really thick inside, so that is why I was a little skeptical with putting this in her hair. I was like, it's gonna stick to her hair, it's not gonna come out. But I will show you exactly what I did what to do before applying this into her hair. So I have this bottle as well, what I apply it into, and it looks like that because I had it in the refrigerator, so I have been using this before. So I just take out a little scoop, like so, and then transfer it into the bottle. So like I said, I already have some in here. So what I'm gonna do is just warm it up for maybe 30 seconds. And if that doesn't work, maybe another 30 seconds to make a minute. So this video here is of Zuri's hair in 2019, and I just wanted to show anyone this video who is new to my channel and has not watched my previous video. So this is Zuri's hair in 2019. As you can see, her hair was experiencing a lot of patches and dryness in her hair. So over time, her hair has grown, and this video here is her hair April 2020, and her hair has grown since that previous video. Her hair has grown a lot. It's just still really dry, as you can tell. And then now this is updated video of her hair in 2020 as of yesterday. I did her hair, and as you can see, she has a product in her hair, and the product that I use is from Aunt Jackie's, and it's called Sassy Curls or something like that. And it's a moisturizer conditioner. You can use that as a deep conditioner to moisturize the hairs for coily hair, kinky hair, and that is the type of hair that Zuri has. So I just wanted to give you guys an update as of now of how her hair is. As you guys can see, the African Shea butter is now in a liquid form, basically like an oil, and this way it's easier to apply throughout her head. Then I'll apply the baby curls from Auntie Jackie's on her hair because it does reduces the smell from the African Shea butter. It doesn't have a strong smell, but it does have a smell that I really don't care for. So the baby curls not only reduces that smell, but it also creates the curls that I like after I apply the product to her hair. So as I mentioned earlier when I said I was a little skeptical of this product because of one of the reasons the product was making her hair yellow. So I know the product is yellow, but I was just like, is this going to go away? How is this going to get out her hair? But her hair is wet, and then when I apply this to her hair, it became yellow. So I just freaked out, and I thought it would not come out of her hair. But really, it's just like with any product that you apply to your hair after your hair is wet, it may be white. It's just going to take on the form of whatever the color of the product is. So that's what this did, and I had to just calm down and just be patient and let her hair air dry. So as you can see throughout this video, her hair will become very yellow, and so don't be alarmed if you do this to your hair and your hair is yellow. You just have to let your hair air dry and just go through the process. But throughout this whole video, you'll see exactly what I mean. But I just wanted to mention that just in case some people are out there who have not used this on their hair and like, oh my God, what is she doing to her daughter's hair? Just be patient and go through the video and see exactly what I'm talking about. Decide to use this product and you do want to warm it up and have a liquid form, an oily state form, make sure that you pay attention to how fast you're using everything, because it will dry up really fast and it will not be a liquid form anymore. So make sure you're paying attention, because I had to rewarm everything up to get that little liquid form again. So like I said, make sure you're paying attention, because it will dry up really fast. I did not think it would dry that fast, but it definitely did. And it got stuck in the little tube part where the liquid comes out of. So I had to take the cap off and just apply it to my hand. But that's okay. But like I said, make sure you pay attention. Now that the product is completely applied throughout her whole head, I just wanted to mention again, yes, her hair looks yellowish. I was skeptical of this at first, like I said earlier, but please do not be alarmed. If you also use this product on your hair, it will completely go away. All it's just doing is just taking on the color of whatever the product is. So that's why her hair looks this color, and that will be for any product that you use when your hair is damp. So like I said, do not be alarmed. Trust me, I was skeptical at first too, but once the hair is completely dry, this color will definitely go away. It is the next day. I did let Zuri's hair air dry overnight. Like I said, the product does tend to stay in her hair and it takes a while for her hair to dry. So I just let her hair air dry and left this on her hair. And this is her hair as of now. It's still a little bit on her hair, but that is okay. So as you guys can see, I completely took out all of the twists out of her hair. And before I took out the twists, you guys seen that leftover product in her hair. That's because her hair was a little bit, still a little bit wet. So what I did was just massage the rest over that product in her hair and it completely went away. So those of you that are still a little skeptical, as you can see, the product is not in her hair anymore. And so what I'm gonna do now is just style her hair. So stay tuned. Say, this is the final results of my hair. Say hi. Hi. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Okay. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Look.